Are you tired of feeling unproductive, fatigued, and battling the feeling of brain fog throughout the day? In this video, we're going to share some powerful strategies and tips for leveraging time blocking to optimize your unique energy levels. If you haven't heard of time blocking before, it's one of the most popular time management systems out there right now. In a nutshell, it involves dividing your day into specific blocks of time, dedicating different blocks for different activities. But it tends to neglect one really important thing: your personal energy levels. Some of us are early birds, while some of us are night owls. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process to create a time blocking system that accounts for your personal energy highs and lows. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I'm Sara Stilleke. I'm a scientist, and my channel is all about how to level up to become more productive and successful. So if that's something you're looking for, please subscribe to my channel because I release new videos every Tuesday. The first thing we need to talk about is the circadian rhythm. Basically, the circadian rhythm is a natural phenomenon that dictates when we feel sleepy, awake, high energy, and low energy. It can be influenced by the light or dark levels in our environments, as well as when we go to sleep and when we wake up on a regular basis. Whether we think about it or not, we all operate on a circadian rhythm, and not all circadian rhythms are created equal. Some people tend to wake up earlier and have more energy first thing in the morning, while others may stay up later and experience their burst of energy in the afternoon or evening. The main thing here is, our energy levels are not created equal. So why do so many people torture themselves to try to work on a schedule that doesn't take advantage of this? To maximize productivity, it's essential to align your time blocking strategy with your unique daily energy patterns. To do this, the first thing you need to do is identify your energy peaks and dips. Take some time to observe yourself over the next few days. When do you feel the most energized and focused? When do you experience those inevitable energy slumps? This self-awareness will serve as the foundation for creating your personalized time-blocking schedule. I recommend keeping a journal over the next few days, either on paper or in electronic form, to keep track of how you're feeling and at what times. When I did this exercise, I wasn't too surprised to find that I experienced my peak creative energy first thing in the morning, until around lunchtime, with a peak of creative energy around mid-morning. I tend to be a bit more lethargic, slow, and brain dead in the early afternoon, and then my energy tends to pick up again in the late afternoon, and I feel really tired and want to go to sleep pretty early, usually around 9:30 p.m. This is going to be really useful knowledge to have. And once you get clear on your natural energy levels, you can really work that to your advantage. Now, for step 2, we're going to design your ideal day. Imagine your perfect day where you accomplish everything without feeling drained or overwhelmed. Think about what tasks and activities require your highest energy and concentration. Is it creative work, problem solving, or strategic planning? Write these down. You can include both personal and professional things here, whatever you might want to get done. For myself, I put things on my list like respond to company emails, have customer meetings, have internal staff meetings, plan my work from a 20,000-foot level, attend a workout class, and do meal prep for the day. For this step, I find it helpful to think about what your ideal week looks like, rather than just your ideal day. That's just because some things don't need to be done every single day, and doing them a couple times a week is just fine. Now for step 3. We're going to use this information to build your time blocking schedule. Using the insights from step 2, map out your day by assigning specific blocks of time for each activity. Allocate your high energy tasks to your peak periods and reserve your low energy periods for less demanding activities or for breaks. For example, if you're a morning person, you might schedule your most challenging tasks during the early hours when your energy levels are at their peak. This allows you to tackle complex problems or engage in focus work with maximum efficiency. On the other hand, if you're more alert and energized in the afternoon, try allocating that time for creative projects, brainstorming, or collaborating with colleagues. Use your high energy moments to take advantage and make the most of them. On the other side of this coin is that it's crucial to be mindful of your energy dips. If you know that you tend to feel tired after lunch, create a block for relaxation or light activities during that time. This way you can recharge and be ready to tackle your next high energy task afterward. Remember, time blocking isn't about rigidly sticking to a schedule, but rather about setting intentions and working with your energy levels rather than against them. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, it would really mean a lot to me if you could give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.